The atmosphere at the university was filled with excitement, an indication that the day had special significance for the institution and its community. Friends, students, colleagues and family members of Professor Michael Ozovehe Ogirima have turned out in record numbers to witness a major milestone in his career, the 32nd inaugural lecture of the Federal University Lokoja, where he is to deliver a lecture titled Improvising to Greatness, a Sojourn.
This is the first inaugural lecture from orthopedic department in Zaria and definitely Lokoja and the college since their establishment.
Professor Ogirima draws from his 29 years of experience as a surgeon with a particular focus on orthopedics. His lecture, inspired by the tools of his profession, underscores the importance of innovation, creativity, and unconventional thinking in addressing life-threatening challenges.
The surgeon stands as one who daily engages the fragile threshold between life and death, wielding knowledge and skills, not merely as instrument of science, but a gesture of hope.
Highlighting the unique landscape of orthopedic practice in Nigeria, he knows the coexistence of trained professionals and traditional bone setters, emphasizing the need for proper supervision and regulation.
I quite agree with my colleague, Onomia J.E. and others on the way forward on TBS that traditional bone setters and their clients should be sensitized and exposed to some basics of fracture care. Their activities should be supervised and integrated at the primary health care level.
Professor Ogirima is also concerned about the nation's health sector as he points to medical tourism, brain drain, and underinvestment in medical education as critical issues threatening its survival.
Our young ones are leaving the country for greener pasture, and government should pay health workers heavily. If they can pay politicians, they should be able to pay health workers too. You understand? So that our people should not die of preventable diseases.
To policymakers, let this lecture serve as a wake-up call to invest more deliberately in healthcare, research and education. A nation that neglects its surgeons, scientists and scholars risks its very future.
I want to congratulate him that it is well delivered and it's a good job he's done.
He's an illustrious son. We have been very proud of him because he's a national and international figure.
With decades of distinguished service in both medical practice and education, Professor Ogirima has now joined the ranks of eminent scholars shaping knowledge and inspiring future generations.
On behalf of the royal fathers from Ibraland, starting from the Ogirima of Ibraland, all the Oyis, Etaros, have been asked to present this to you in a good way.
In Lokoja, Jonathan Omajali, NTA News.